Welcome to GeoFed-Cervix app. It is basically required for the cervical precancer prediction purpose. So as you can see, there are several features like, for example, advanced precancer prediction, medical reports, or doctor-patient communication, appointment management, AI-powered assistant, patient registration. Now, what we will do, we will first observe the administrator portal. Okay, so for doing that, admin will click on the admin portal and then we'll fill up the username and password details. Like here we are filling up admin and their corresponding password. Okay, then we'll click on the login option. So as you can see in the admin portal, you can add the doctor detail. Okay, so admin can fill up the can add the new doctor by filling up his or her full name, then email ID, followed by the username. Okay, like here we are typing the name capital X, then email ID x@gmail.com. Then we are writing the username like D001. Then we can put the password there. So it will be a minimum of 8-character password. So we will give the password and then we shall confirm the password. Okay, so in this way we shall proceed. And obviously, this is the specialization will be oncology, because we are at the end of the day we are predicting cervical precancer. Okay, then click on the add doctor button. So as you see, the doctor button has appeared and edit and delete options are also available in that case. So this is how it will look like. In the screen, it is clearly visible: name, email ID, and the specialization. Okay. So this is, I hope that all of you got the clear idea about the admin portal. Now we shall move to the next step. That will be the we are going to log into the doctor portal. Okay, so D001, we will give the username and then we will type the password and then click on the login section. So this is the doctor dashboard. Okay, so welcome Dr. X. Manage your patient, view reports, schedule appointment. These options are available there. So as you can see, patient number, diagnosis, report details, all these are visible in the doctor portal. Okay, so at first the doctor will do the patient registration. So for a new patient especially, so if he or she has to type the patient name ABC, for example, email ID abc@gmail ID, age may be 36 here. We are putting some age like 36, and then we are giving some username like P001 for the patient and corresponding password, and definitely the confirmation password option we will fill up. After that, we will then move to the next step. Okay, by clicking on the registered patient option. So you can see the count has been updated as patient 1. Now, quick action option, DIC image and spectral data. Both those things you can load. Okay, what we have to do, we have to first select the patient, like here it is ABC. Then we will click on to the DIC image and we will load it there. And then we will also load the spectral data. Once it is done, then we will click on the predict option. So as you can see, diagnostic result has appeared, prediction grade 2, confidence 96.78%. And you can see, if you wish, you can click on the view detailed technical analysis. So you will get all the individual report, like grade 2 for the spectral data, it is 93.08%. For the image case, you are getting 100%. So in overall, if you do the multimodal fusion, so you are getting the grade 2 prediction accuracy confidence level is 96.78%. So this is how you can get the cervical screening analysis through this app. And also the GeoFed-Cervix AI assistants, they have given you certain explanations. Okay, patient interpretable explanations. So, and along with the doctor notes and advice are also given there. Okay, so their cellular feature, tissue architecture, abnormal findings, all these details are given. And then the save report options are also available. So if you wish, you can directly click on the save report option and you can save the entire result. Okay, so I hope the picture is clear to all of you, that how doctor is basically registering the new patient and loading the corresponding DIC image and spectra data for the cervical region, and how our app is not only predicting the precancer stages with the high confidence level, but also generating the human interpretable explanations like GeoFed-Cervix AI assistance is basically predicting the app and generating the corresponding explanations. Okay, then we will click on the report save option and we'll move to the next step. That is the basically it will be the patient. He or she will try to message the patient. Okay, like for example, book the appointment. Okay, so it will be book the appointment. So once it is done, so he will move to the next step. So while book the appointment, doctor will also make while booking the appointment, doctor will also mention the date. For example, it is 4th December here, and the time range between 5 p.m. to 9. As you can see in the screen, the text has been sent to the patient. Now, what we will do, we are going to log into the patient portal just to show you that how it will function. So patient username P001 and the corresponding password has been given there, and then click on the login option. So it is the patient dashboard. Welcome ABC. View your diagnostic reports, chat with your doctor, and manage your appointments. Okay, so as you can see in the report page, in the patient report section, the details are visible. Patient ID P001, then doctor name X, prediction grade 2, confidence level 96.78%. And this is the PDF also, which is available. You can easily download the PDF as well. Okay, so here you will get along with the confidence level and the prediction details, you will get the doctor assessment and the recommendation detail. So hope all of you got the idea how the PDF file will look like. Now, patient will go to the message option, and she will basically observe that the doctor has already advised the patient to book the appointment. So the common query is the "May I know your fees?" Okay, so that type of the query patient is putting here to the doctor. Which is required before booking the appointment. So now again, after logging out from the patient portal, we are going to the doctor portal. So doctor will make login by filling up the required details. Now, if doctor goes to the message checking option, so he or she will find the message from the patient. So basically replying, for example, here we are replying ₹500. Okay, just to give you the demo. So the message has been sent to the patient, ₹500. Now patient will make the login, P001 and its corresponding password. And then click on the login option. So after going to the message option, she will figure out that it is already doctor has responded 500, so it is quite it is a quite reasonable pricing. So she will proceed for the appointment booking. So she will choose the doctor first. Here, for example, the doctor name is X, purpose is treatment, and according to the given date and time for December and the given time frame between 5 to 9 p.m. has been the preferred time frame by the doctor. So here she is taking the time 5:30 for the appointment part. So she will click on the book option, and you can see the appointment and booking request has been sent to the doctor. from the patient side. So she may drop a text to the doctor that I have booked the appointment. Okay, now again we will see from the doctoral portal. So doctor will fill up the relevant details and click on to the login option. So basically the appointment request, he can see the appointment request and click on the confirm option. And then he or she will drop a text to the patient that I have confirmed your appointment. Now again, after logging out from the doctor portal or the dashboard, we shall move to the patient dashboard. Okay, so we will fill up all the details for the patient and we'll show you that how patient will check the message from the doctor and what will be her next activities. So already she has observed the text that I have confirmed your appointment from doctor. So as a courtesy, she will type thank you. Now we are going to show you some of the extra interesting features which patient may wish to explore further. Okay, this is the common type of the tendency for anybody. Whenever we see certain apps, we try to figure out other features. So here patient might ask for example, tell me about yourself. Okay, so now we will see that how the app will respond. GeoFed-Cervix app will respond. So hello, I am GeoFed-Cervix, a medical assistant specialization app. And in cervical cancer detection, I provide guidance and support on cervical health and screening methods. Remember, it is always important to consult a healthcare professional for accurate diagnosis and personalized recommendation. I assist you today. Okay, so this is how the app is introducing itself to the patient. Now you may ask some more question, like for example, what should be the diet for cervical precancer patient? What should be the diet for cervical precancer patient? Okay, so the app will respond accordingly. Okay, so accordingly, some of the food advice has come up in front of the screen, as you all can observe that. So this is how you can explore further with this app. Okay, so hope all of you got the idea that what is the way of interacting with the GeoFed-Cervix and how the app will respond to you when you are basically interacting with the GeoFed-Cervix AI system.
Now, another interesting part which we may observe that translate, for example, if you type the translate in Hindi, you can explore the the potential of the bilingual options. Okay, so basically, after typing the translate in Hindi, you can click on the enter button. So once you click on the enter button, we'll be able to see that the entire Hindi version is coming up in front of you. So this is the Hindi version which you already have seen for the English version. Now, again, the patient will log out from our portal and we may check out from the doctor portal. For instance, already the patient visited to the doctor, then what doctor will do? So, for example, if you have a bulk amount of the patient, it is always better to mark if the patient has successfully met the doctor on the appointment date. Okay, so it will always better to mark as complete. So that is what is happening. So doctor has marked completed. So patient visit is successful. Now we shall go back to the admin portal to see further features of this particular app. So admin will fill up the details like username admin, their corresponding password, and click on the login option. So as you can see, this is the admin portal. Like I mentioned earlier, that in that portal you can edit or delete the doctor name. So you are showing those things exactly. Even admin has the option to check the list of the patients. There you will find the patient details. Okay, then analytics. If you click on the analytics option, system overview and analytics will be shown. So now, for example, in the setting option, you can see maximum or the minimum password length. Okay, safe security setting options are available. So in this way, admin portal you can check. So I hope that all of you got the idea how GeoFed Service app works. So thank you for watching.